Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to upload high quality stories to Instagram. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, open the settings on your phone and you want to scroll down until you see a camera and open it. If you are using an iPhone or Android device, then you want to make sure that you are recording the video in the highest quality possible. So on my device it's 4K at 330 frames per second, and I am going to select that and I am going to do that for the slow motion camera. Also I want to make sure that I am recording the highest quality possible. Now you want to exit the settings and open the Instagram app. Click on the little profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile, and now you want to tap the three lines and the top right corner of the screen, then settings. Now open the account settings, data usage, and you want to turn on the high quality upload feature. So now Instagram will upload a story at the highest quality possible, and now hopefully your story will not be pixelated or blurry. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment below down and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.